video. So this is a new series which is Good Evening with JavaScript. So this series will run simultaneously with our C language series. Maybe this series will in this series the videos will not get posted so much frequently, but the series with the C language, which is Good Morning C, will get updated on a regular basis. So today we are going to start this series, and let me just quickly start my machine. So what we are going to do here is we are going to learn JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript to be more precise. We're going to learn the basics of DOM, which is document object model, and how JavaScript works with HTML and all that stuff. So there is no rocket science here. We are going to start from the very basic and go to an intermediate level or so on. So and we'll be doing all these things in the Linux machine because I love Linux. That's the reason. And you don't have to practice it on the specifically on a Linux machine. You can try it on Windows as well. But one thing that will require is Visual Studio Code. So in this video, so the day one today, if I consider this video to be day one, in this video we are going to learn how we are going to install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu. So first, just fire up your browser. I'm just firing up my terminal and then just typing Firefox, so it will fire up my browser, and then we have to wait for a little bit because I think my system is slow here. It's very easy, and Visual Studio, you can use your own preferable editor, but I prefer Visual Studio because it is more popular and it has more plugin support than any other. Wait, any other? Sorry, what's the problem? Any other text editors? So let me quickly fire up my browser. So here I am going to search for Visual Studio. So the first search result that you will find, just click on it, and so listen here very carefully, guys. So you have to click on .deb if you are using an Ubuntu, because it is for Debian flavored Linux. So Ubuntu supports Debian packages, whereas the Red Hat or the Fedora operating system supports RPM, Red Hat Package Manager system. So and there's the thing. So you have to click on Debian, and then a file will get downloaded. In my case, I don't have to download the file. I think I will cancel the download because I have already downloaded it to save some time. Okay, I'll just cancel it. Okay, so I'll just show you how to install it. Okay, so I'm opening up another terminal. I'm going to my downloads directory, and then here you can see, so I have my setup, which is code. So installing this Debian package, we need to give some command to the machine, and this is a very simple command. You just have to type here using the sudoers privilege, which is sudo dpkg and then I for installation, and then the name of the Debian package, which is code something. So this will install our text editor, which is Visual Studio Code. Here you can see, so it's very easy. It will install all the required libraries and the packages, and we can use it. So that's how you install Visual Studio Code on your Linux machine. It is very easy. Just you have to remember this command, which is dpkg, then I for installation, and then the name of the file, and please run it using the sudoers privilege. Otherwise it may not permit you to run this command. Okay, so we are pretty much done here. So if I type here code and then create a file here like new it will launch the Visual Studio Code for me. Okay, so here you can see, um, yes, so we have here our new file.html. Okay, now if I close here, still I no, we haven't saved it, so we will not have the file. So that's it for now. So I'll see you in my next video, and we'll hopefully carry on with some basic tutorials on what is JavaScript and how we're going to use it, how we're going to study the DOM. Okay, so till then, take care, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So till then, take care guys. Bye.